Gus Schmidt here, and I'm on the Trade Command Center, the quant engine that I just built, which analyzes and looks for scalping opportunities on the 5 minute and the 15-minute time frames. Okay, so what I've done here is I have the Trade Command uh, currently paused. The the engine, I've paused it, and then so what I have here is, okay, this is the dashboard of the command center here. And over here, I also have my pocket option account here. So when I get a signal, I'm going to go in into my pocket option account and take the trade based on the signal. Okay, we're looking for, I have it set to 5 minute expiries, which coincides with the 5 minute uh, scalping opportunities that the trade engine will look for me. Okay, so let's go ahead and generate. So what I have here, okay, I have Aussie dollar JPY, a buy on the Aussie dollar JPY on the 5 minute time frame. All right, so let's go to the Aussie dollar JPY and let's go ahead and take a buy. So I just took a buy trade. It recommended a buy trade here on the Aussie dollar JPY 5 minute time frame here. This is the right here. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video and wait till about 15 seconds left in the trade and then come back to the broker account and see how that trade did. Okay, so I'm back on the Aussie dollar Japanese yen trade here, and we have about 20 seconds left in the trade, and it looks like we're going to win this trade here. So let's wait till the trade closes. The engine predicted a bullish, a long trade here, a 5 minute long trade. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for another signal and come back. Okay, so I just got a Euro JPY long trade. So let's go ahead and go to Euro JPY and take a buy trade here. All right, so I just took the buy trade on the Euro JPY. And let me show you the corresponding signal here. Euro JPY long here. The trades are coming in pretty quickly. All right, here it is, Euro JPY at 332. We have our execution log. So I took it right around the time that the signal was generated. Timing is extremely important. When you get this signal, you go to your account, take the trade. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and wait for the expiration of this trade. Okay, so we have a few seconds left in the trade. And oh, wait a minute. We have a minute left in the trade. All right, I thought I had a few seconds left in the trade. So let's hang on and watch this trade. It's in our favor currently. We're seeing a strong bullish movement in the price action. The ADX line, uh, the plus ADX line is there's a divergence happening here. So the signal looks really good. If we look, at the technical indicators as well, the Williams percent R line is above the green 20 line here. It's kind of sticking around. So we have about 30 seconds left in the trade. Okay, great. So that trade was in the money. The quant engine uh, is performing so far so good. So let me pause the video and look for the next signal. Okay, so the bot just gave me a short trade on the euro US dollar right here. Here's the signal right here, a 5 minute short on the euro US dollar. So I went ahead into my uh, account here and I took the short. Currently it's going against us, but let's wait till about 5 minutes left. Excuse me, no, 30 seconds left in the trade, and then we'll come back and see the results of this trade. Okay, so we have about 30 seconds left in the trade. It's pretty close. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration of the euro US dollar trade. Okay, great. So that trade was in the money. Uh, so let me see here. This is the, I think I showed you guys the signal. There have been some subsequent signals. Uh, yeah, that was an old signal. Here it is right here, the Euro USD. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and wait for the next signal. Okay, so I'm back on the dashboard here. Well, I'm back on the account here. But on the dashboard, I just got a Euro Great British Pound long on the 5 minute time frame here. This is the signal right here. Euro Great British Pound is telling me to go long on the 5 minute time frame. So I went ahead into my account and I took the buy trade here on the Euro Great British Pound currency pair. So we're seeing a bullish momentum already. Increasing divergence of the ADX lines here. The Williams percent R line is remaining above the the 20 line here, the green 20 line. So these are good signs uh, that align with the indicators here that I've set up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and wait for the expiration with about 30 seconds left in the trade. Okay, so we have about 30 seconds left in the Euro Great British Pound trade. And as you can see here, it's looking really good. Uh, so let's wait for the expiration of this trade to verify that the signal was correct on the Quant Engine. Okay, so great. So that trade was also in the money. All right. And just to reiterate, uh, that was the Euro Great British Pound signal here. We go back in the dashboard here, right here. This is the signal that I took the trade on. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for one more signal. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to have to cut the session short because the engine is not generating any signals. And the reason why is if you look here at the price action happening on the currency pairs, there's not much price action happening here. It's about to approach 4:30 p.m. So the market is going to temporarily close here. If you go through all these currency pairs, you see it's very thinly traded right now on the various assets here. So, but anyway, you got an opportunity to see how the performance of the signal engine. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to keep up with my latest trading strategies and automated trading engines that I'm developing.